This 15th century Lent soup is prepared from almonds and wine. Practically almond milk prepared with white wine instead of water. I cheated by using a modern mixer. The soup is tinted yellow with saffron and is especially recommended for Good Friday, the Friday before Easter, therefore not including land animal products, but fish broth, which can, according to the recipe, be replaced simply by water. The idea is that the soup should remind of an egg broth, tinted yellow by egg yolk, without actually using eggs, hence the saffron.